Oh my goodness, look at that. It's like candy.
What's up, Trap family?
Hey guys!
Today, Trap Bistro's got a special holiday edition for you guys. Marissa and I are going to be cooking up.
We're doing this trail mix party snack holiday food.
Right, and we're going to be using top ramen to do that. So this is perfect if your family's on a budget this holiday, if you're locked up in prison and all you have are soups and other ingredients, or if you just want a little trap twist to a holiday classic. So stay tuned and check it out. All right, Marissa, what do we need for this recipe?
Okay, so you need some top ramen noodles. You need brown sugar, honey, cinnamon, vanilla extract. I put in some dried cranberries, goji berries, Reese's Pieces, M&M style, and a stick of butter.
All right,
Okay.
Let's go ahead and just show on the road.
All right.
All right, guys, so now we got our pan heated up. What do we do next?
All right, I want you to do this prison style.
All right,
Smash that.
I'm gonna smash that up. Let's see right here.
And while he's smashing it, I'm gonna melt the butter. Let's melt this butter.
You want it really smashed
Yeah,
up?
smash it up.
See that, guys? No hole, didn't pop the bag.
That's good. Then you just open it up. You're gonna pour it inside.
Go ahead and hang on to the season pack. This is for later.
Yeah.
I mean, not for this recipe. This is just, always
Save
want to
it.
keep an eye on that.
Yeah.
Pour it in?
Yeah, pour it in.
All right. You guys like that?
Looks good.
It's raining ramen.
Raining ramen. All right. Go ahead and pour in your brown sugar.
Brown sugar coming right up.
Okay. Go ahead and put some cinnamon in.
Alright. Man, this is going to be good. You can already smell the sugar and the butter cooking together. You want a lot, Marissa?
Whatever.
Alrighty.
Whatever you think.
I love
All
cinnamon.
right. Me too. All right. What about a little bit of vanilla extract?
Okay, you don't want to go overboard with this thing.
No, just a little bit. And as you're doing that, I'm going to just keep on stirring. Ooh, do you smell that candy flavor?
I sure do.
This is amazing.
Man, it really does smell good.
Right?
Get a whiff of it.
Yummy. All right. How about a dab of honey?
Okay, a little dab will do ya.
Do ya? Now you can add other things in here like chocolate chips, M&Ms, whatever you want, like a trail mix basically. Nuts, cut up nuts is good. You can put walnuts, you could put almonds.
Not if you have a nut allergy though.
Yes, not if you have a nut allergy. Yes, you gotta be smart about this.
Oh man. It's so good.
With the sauce, you're gonna go ahead and turn it off, and you're going to put it on a baking sheet and into the oven for 345 just to get it all crisp and coated nicely. Okay?
Okay.
So let's go ahead and do that. I think it's... Alright, here we go. Oh, look at how clean your oven is. I'm just gonna stick this whole thing in here.
Marissa's got iron hands.
Yeah.
Not even hot at all.
Not even hot. Alright, you're going to go ahead and just let this sit for about 10 minutes and then check on it. Let's see, let's take it out.
Okay.
I'm gonna use this.
And guys, make sure you check out #Holiday Side Dish Celebration.
Oh, we can...
Myself and a bunch of the YouTube family are putting together a collaboration so you guys can put together some bomb side dishes for your holiday meal. Check it out.
I burned my hand, so please be careful when you take the pan out of the oven. Always have this or like an oven mitten on it, because I touched it and burned my hand.
So Marissa's doing a trap home remedy. Hold a cold can of beer, and that will hopefully help.
It's numbing it right now. Okay, so it's done. And what we're going to do is scoop it out. like this and put it on some foil. My hand is super numb. Oh wow, this looks really good and it smells good. Just spread it out on the foil.
So you put some butter on that foil so it don't stick, huh?
Yes, so it doesn't stick. You can also use wax paper too. I'm not touching it. My hand is still burning. Well, it's numb now. Okay. All right, next, dried cranberries. Go ahead and sprinkle that in there. And if you like goji berries, or you can add anything, nuts, walnuts, basically anything. This is kind of like a healthy version if I can open it. But I think I burned my fingers, so I might need Kevin's help. I burned my, oh, I got it. I got it. Okay. And then I love Reeses, so we're gonna go ahead, ooh, and pour some Reeses Pieces in here, okay? So this is like a mix. And so there you got it. You just kind of let this dry out a little bit. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's like candy. And there you got it. And you can just stick it in a bowl and eat it, but that's it. That's your trail mix holiday food. You want to try it, Kevin?
It smells really good.
Oh.
All right, guys, let's give it a taste.
All right, let's go. Tell me what you think.
Oh, it's really good.
You like it?
Yeah, I really like it.
Mmm, impressive, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What does it taste like?
It's like peanut brittle.
Mm-hmm.
This is perfect if you have a nut allergy and can't eat regular peanut brittle.
Isn't this a great snack?
Mm-hmm.
Just put it in your car and just munch on it on your drive-in and you'll get hungry.
Yeah, it's really rich. That butter is good.
Mm-hmm.
So it's nice to have the cranberries and goji berries.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of balance that out.
Very easy.
Mm. It's a perfect holiday snack.
Mm-hmm. Party snack. Very easy.
It's got a nice color on it.
Nice crunch.
See that, guys?
Mm.
This is really, really good.
I'm glad you like it. Can you taste the cinnamon too, a little bit?
Mm-hmm. Now, brown sugar, butter, and cinnamon really give it a holiday flavor.
Mm-hmm. You can put walnuts, almonds, any kind of nuts in it. Make it as healthy as you want.
All right, guys, remember, make this for your next holiday gathering. And remember, if someone asks you the recipe, tell them to go on Trap Bistro TV. Where the lower you squat,
the better it tastes.
all right, till next time, guys, happy holidays. Trap Bistro out.